Okay, so this is going to be an updated toolbox tour. There's a workbench. There's the welders. There's the fucking neighbours shouting. And there's the toolbox. So let's open it up. So there's the top. That's where the sockets are. Got a little Kindic set there. Some nut drivers in there. 3/8 half-inch ratchets. They're quarter drive, 3/8 sockets. Mostly metric. In fact, all of them are, I think. So let's have a look in this one. As it says there, screwdrivers, which are flatheads. Lots of different makes in there. We've got Stanley, we've got Steadfast, Spear and Jackson. That's a VHAR. And there's quite a few of them. This one, Phillips and Posse. Again, lots of different makes. We've got CK. We've got Steadfast, Stanley, etc. Again, that's another VHAR. This one, all the pliers, Knipex, wire strippers, combination pliers. These ones are interesting actually, because these are actually from 1952, ex-military. Got pipe wrenches, some channel locks up there. Moving down, Allen keys, screwdriver bits, some picks there. As you can see, loads of screwdriver bits, a few sets of Allen keys up there. That one's self-explanatory really. All the spanners, so adjustables, or nut fuckers as we call them, open enders, little pipe wrench combinations, and just some odd ones at the back. This is mostly welding consumables, so these tips, nozzle cleaners, spare earth clamp, got some magnets there. That's a handbook for my welder. Moving down, mostly measuring stuff. So I've got Starrett micrometer there, Starrett calipers, pens, levels, got square, small squares, spirit levels at the back, a few tape measures, scriber pickup tool. That's all electrical stuff. Got a cheap tester there. That one's a fluke. Bits of tape. These are Knipex, wire strippers. As it says on the box, these electrical connections. So there's Wagos, wire strippers, small screwdrivers, heat shrink. What's in this one? Okay, so we've got the files at the back. Got saw blades, excuse me, hacksaws, Stanley knives, needle files at the back up there. Hammers, different types, punches and chisels, impact driver, that's a bit there. Moving down, this is taps and dies, loads of these, because I use them quite a lot. Different types of drill bits, big ones, small ones, small drills. Again, lots of taps and dies, tap wrenches, die holders, deburring tool, screw extractors. These are Dharma. general overview of that. Again, you can see what's in here. So we've got a drill, a Bosch, little die grinder type thing, cobalt drills, spare drill bits, dust mask, big tap wrench there, got a grinder, flap disc, cutting discs, and wire wheels. Over this side, got a side cabinet. Again, that's just bits and pieces. Hose clips, O-rings, split pins, a couple of drills up there, and the chargers. So that's an updated toolbox tour and a general overview of what's in the shed. Hope you enjoyed it.